Hey y'all, thought I'd make a video of all this, what's happenings at the house. Uh, we got some tree trimming going on by the power company, and they trimmed yesterday and today, and now they're chipping it. So it's a little noisy, but I'll show you. They even trimmed the branches back from our roof, which was cool. It takes 3 guys to operate a chipper. Wow, look at that. I guess they're not going to do that. Wonder if they'll leave the big branches for me. That'd be cool. At least now the solar isn't shrouded by a tree, so it'll work a lot better. I'll run you over here and show you. First I'll show you my pepper plants. They're kind of tiny right now, but habanero's got peppers on it. Get ready, folks, it's gonna get hot in Havana. All right. See, they trimmed a ton of branches over the solar, so it's gonna work a lot better now. Wasn't working very well for a while. They're trimming up the trees from the neighbor's house. I got a soffit coming down too. I'll have to fix that one of these days. Yep, I gotta figure out how to clean those solar panels. I'm sure they'll work a lot better if they were clean. Ugh. Wow, they took all this down. That was cool. I was going to take that down. Wow. This guy up here has got a pneumatic or a hydraulic chainsaw. That thing's almost dead silent. Wow. What a mess. Yeah, it's probably going to take these guys a while. It's going to be a while before they clean this up. Wow. Man, it was a jungle out here. It looks like they left a widowmaker up there. Huh. Maybe not. Maybe that's just gnarly. Huh. Another widowmaker. Hopefully they pull those down. Anyway, that's the information you're gonna get. Man, They tore some stuff up. Don't know what this is. Big candle. What? Oh, those guys, they would have been here sooner, but the chipper got stuck in the mud. Oh, this Arkansas mud is crazy. Anyway, there's some more stuff I gotta cut up one of these days. Supposed to have help cutting that up, but that didn't happen. So, and I don't have a running chainsaw, so that'll be a while on that. I use a battery powered Sawzall that only lasts about 5 minutes. We got a sunflower out here. Where'd you come from? Huh. Look at that. Volunteer sunflower. That's crazy. You see I got a little mowing to do out here. I got to pick up all the branches though that fall off these trees constantly. Hopefully I don't get a tick on me. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to end this. Have a good one. Try to stay positive in this negative world. Bye, y'all.